Our heavy-duty tracked diesel wood chipper is designed for customers who require powerful, reliable wood processing equipment for harsh working environments. Featuring a robust construction and a high-performance diesel engine, it guarantees 24-hour continuous operation, capable of processing a variety of materials, such as waste wood, logs, and wooden pallets. The machine ensures stable output and a long service life. Its customizable mobility, depending on your operational needs. We offer trailer-mounted models for easy towing and tracked models with enhanced off-road capabilities, increasing the flexibility of the machine's application scenarios. We can provide customized configurations based on your specific material dimensions, production requirements, and operating conditions.